Hello, my friends. This is Lori from Ann Delights with another LOL surprise unboxing. These are the light glitter series, and I have 3 of them that just came in the mail from Amazon. How exciting! So let's get started unboxing. Put these 2 to the side, and I'll start with this one. This one has 8 surprises in them, and this really awesome packaging. I love this packaging. It's just, they do a phenomenal job with the packaging. They're all so different. I just love it. Okay, our first message. Let's see what it says. Hair, makeup, check. Hair, makeup, check. Those sayings are so funny. Hair, makeup, check. I don't know how they come up with it, but it's pretty clever. It keeps you thinking, huh? Yeah. So, let's get started with this fun unwrapping. Lots of blind bags in this awesome groovy paper. It makes you go dizzy. Nah, it really doesn't. Let's open our checklist and see who we really want on our checklist. Let's see. I would love to have, let's turn this around here, Optical. I like Optical because she's so awesome because she reminds me of the packaging. Her outfit is just like when you look at her glasses, it just makes you go, ooh, kind of thing, like I'm being hypnotized. Not that I like to be hypnotized, but I think her outfit is just totally awesome. Look at it. Yes. Let's see who we are going to have today. Our first blind bag also has that hypnotizing pattern on it. Oh, a black and white bottle with a kitty cat on it. Missing. Have you seen Meow? It says, with the kitty cat on it. Any ideas who bottle that could be? Come on, friends. I know you know out there. I already know who we have, guys. I know. Look at this. It's the best hairband. A black and white bow hairband. Harlequin girl, do you think? Harlequin. I'm thinking so. This is the light. Oh, look, this is a different light that I've never had. This type light. Cool. A nice pink light. Harlequin. Look. Oh my goodness. Look at that outfit. I am excited. Yes, I am excited. Her shoes, her black and white shoes. Look at them. They're opposite. One is white with the black bow, one is black with the white bow. How cute. How adorable. And now the big reveal is our doll. Here we have her. Isn't she beautiful? Look at her hair. OMG, I'm just so excited. Sorry, I say OMG a lot. Not that she's an OMG doll, but look how beautiful she is. She has tears that match her whole outfit. Oh my goodness. Let's see what she does for us color change. You think she color changes a different color? Let's find out. Oh my goodness. Look at that. You see that? She has a vest on now. And she has black glasses. Can you see it? There it is. It's focused now. Come on, focus, focus. Let's put her back in. You got to see these black glasses. Look at those black glasses. Adorable. Look at the back. Just trying to find a place where it's going to focus at. Oh my goodness. Even the tights on that side turns gray. See that? I can't get over it. It's just so adorable. I love her. Love, love, love her. She is adored. Okay. Our next LOL surprise. Let's move her stuff all the way over there. Our next LOL surprise. Glitter. Light glitter lights. Camera action glitter doll is can you stand the weight? What does it say? Glow up. Glow up. Do you get it? And neither do I. Glow up. Let's see what's in here. The second one. Well, let's start that checklist. Move all that stuff out of the way. And start with our blind bags. Oops. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, look at that. Another pink light, which I just finished saying we didn't have one before, but now we have two. A yellow bottle. A yellow with black top. Any guesses? I don't have one. Any guesses, guys? Any guesses? Leave me a comment. Uh-oh. There's the outfit. What do you think we have? What's going on there? What do we have? Oh, look at the shoes. White shoes with black pom-poms on the top. Cute, cute. And the open toe. Oh, so adorable. How cute is that? Last blind bag. Oh, look at those glasses, like a cat glasses with kind of a zebra print on it. Like the zebra print on the outfit. Cute. It has yellow tint in the inside. That matches her yellow, the yellow inside of her suit here. Who do we have, guys? Who do we have? I know you know. I know you know. You guys are so smart. I know you know already. Da-da-da! We have Yacht BB. Look at her skin. She's just beautiful. And those pink lips. Look at that hair. Look at the hair. It's just adorable. Look at that. It's buns on the top. It's like a coral. A coral. That's what it is. A coral color. Yeah. She's beautiful. She is beautiful. Let's see what kind of color changes she do. What do you think? Here we go. Is she a color changer? Yeah. No, she doesn't change. How about in warm water? I don't think she changes at all. No changing. So what do you think she do? Spit, cries, or pees? Ooh, look like she spits, huh? She spits good too. Oops, sorry. She doesn't pee. She doesn't do anything but spit. Spit, spit, spit. Awesome. Okay. Last but never least, we have our last LOL. Just going to push everything over here so we don't get them mixed up there. Okay. What does this say? I for drama. I for drama. I for drama. Excuse me. What do we have here? An eye for drama. I don't think I've heard that one before. Kind of could have almost guessed that one too. Eye for drama. Here we are. This is our light. I already can feel it in there. That's our light. In our bottle. Ooh, 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 ooh. Who do you think we have? Look at that bottle. Go ahead. Tell me who it is. Who is that? Who do we have there? Just from that one accessory. Whoa. Who do we have? Fire. She is fire. Look at that. That is fire. Whoa. What an awesome color combination. Look at those glasses. Shut up. How awesome is they? They are too awesome. OMG. Look at that. Goes around her waist. Like a belt. A rope belt. Wow. Last but not least is her fire shoes. Look at them. Look at them. Why does her shoes look a little bigger than everyone else's, but they're still adorable. Let's see her. Let's see her. I have never seen her before. Look at her hair. I love her. Look how beautiful she is. Look at that. Guys, my friends, look at her. Look at her eyes. Look at her hair. Her hair has like glitter. Can you see the glitter? Look at her face. Beautiful eyes. Wow. She's adorable. Let's see if she color changes. What do you think? Let's see. Nope. She doesn't. No color changes for her. No color changes. What do you think she does? Spits, pees, cries. She spits. She's a spitter. A spitter. Did that change in the back? No. I was thinking there something on her back changed, but it doesn't. How adorable are these babies? They are so adorable. Here we are, guys. Here we are, my friends. Look at them. Glowing in the dark. Look how beautiful they are. Wow. Are they awesome or what? Beautiful. If you like this video, please subscribe. Subscribe for more unboxing. And like. And share as well. It's been fun hanging out, guys. I hope to see you very, very soon again. Goodbye, friends.